Start by taping off the area that is going to be flashed. Use a grinding wheel to prep the metal for application to remove oils and contaminants on the metal. Next, abrade the membrane. After abrading the membrane, clean the membrane with JM single-ply membrane cleaner. Be sure to reapply tape that was damaged during the abrading and cleaning. Next, apply the membrane primer and allow to fully cure. The primer is cured when dry and tacky. Once the primer is cured, pre-cut the reinforcement scrim. The scrim needs to cover the plates, field, and vertical surfaces. Next, cut the tip to the desired size and thread onto the pourable sealer pouch. The one-part pourable sealer has a 20 to 30 minute pot life once dispensed from the pouch. Apply pourable sealer to the membrane and metal surfaces using a brush. Once the base layer is at a 30 ml thickness, apply reinforcement scrim. Apply scrim to the plates first, then field, then the penetration. Alternate between layers of scrim and pourable sealer as the flashing is constructed. Ensure the scrim is fully saturated and no part of the scrim is dry. On vertical surfaces, work the pourable sealer up from the base of the penetration with a brush. Next, apply a top layer of pourable sealer at 30 ml thickness. Before the pourable sealer dries, remove the blue tape. Finally, seal the remaining pourable sealer material in a pouch, pushing all the air out of the pouch to prevent the pourable sealer from curing.